Hi, my name is Stu. I want to invite you to please come meditate with me using your ukulele, your breath, and your focus. What we're going to be doing right in this video is very simple. We're going to be accessing a state of presence that can bring more clarity, focus, and joy to your ukulele and music journey. I've been meditating for decades. I have found it to be so helpful in my path of not only music, but in life. Please join me. I think you'll find this to be nourishing and super helpful for your playing. This will be the first of many meditations I'll be sharing on this channel. Right now, I'm inviting you to please come into your playing position. If you're standing up, good idea to have a strap so you can stand with your ukulele supported by the strap. If you're sitting down, sit in a way where you're a little forward in your chair so your back is upright away from the back of the chair. And please put your feet flat on the floor. And right now, just hold your ukulele and begin to breathe deeply. What we're going to be doing is drawing the breath in deep, out slow. This meditation will progress from one stage to the next. Right now, the first stage is to begin to fill the lungs, first drawing the air down to the bottom of the lung, expanding into the thoracic. Feel an expansion into the side of your lungs. Your rib cage expands all the way up to the clavicle. And then exhaling, drawing your navel towards the spine. Let's do this 3 times in a row. Breathing in, breathing out. Allow your focus to rest on the pillow of your breath. Breathing in, breathing out. Soften your body. Allow the corners of your mouth to turn upward. Give yourself the gift of a smile. Breathing in one more time. And out. Our breath smooth, deep, and silent as possible. Now, take a look at this beautiful tree in your lap, around your neck. You're hugging this beautiful tree. I'd like you to now, as you breathe in, float your hand up as if it's weightless, like you're walking on the moon, and just find any note. Press down, noticing the details. What does that note feel like? What does that string feel like under your finger? What does the thumb feel like on the back of the neck? What are the sounds around you? Find that note and now pick it and listen to it like it's the most important thing in the whole world. And then take your hand away. Now we're going to do this a few times, and if you're still watching, I appreciate you hanging with this. What we're going to be doing is accessing a state of concentration, relaxed body, and a sense of allowing things to happen. Later, we can apply this to anything that we study and anything we encounter in life as well. It's a game, it's a dance, these are practices, they're not perfections. Join me again and let's play 3 notes in this way. There are no wrong notes, just float your hand up, smile to your hand, play the note and listen all the way until the note dissolves into silence. Find another note. And one more single note. Yeah. Take your hand away. I encourage you to do this with a timer on. Spend 3 or 5 minutes just playing notes. This is not a waste of time. You're setting yourself up for deep concentration. And the best part is yet to come. I mean, as if it gets any better, right? Those 3 notes I played, now that I'm paying attention to them with all my focus, with the relaxed concentration, I can start to groove with them. But when I play, I'm aware of the sensations in my hand in a very simple way. I'm just flowing. I'm not trying to impress anybody, just being myself. After you play this game of groove for a little while, return to that place of listening to one note with your breath. And just release into the moment. There's a lot more I'd love to share with you about this subject. You can visit me in person at one of my ukulele Zen retreats. There's information about my website down below and the retreat. I hope that this video serves you well and that you enjoy meditating with your ukulele. Have a peaceful day. Have a very healthy day. Wishing you and your families all the best. I'll see you in another video soon.